Who wants to see it? Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be attempting this melted crayon canvas art thing I've got going on here. Already got the crayons attached to the top. Got my canvas and got the vinyl heart printed out from my Cricut vinyl cutter. Pretty cool. I'm going to be melting the crayons with a hairdryer and we will see how it goes. Alright guys, so right here all you missed was me switching sides. Saved you all the hassle of seeing my big old fat butt move across the center of that. Just want to make sure that your crayons are firmly attached at the top with glue. If not, they might fall off on you. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to pull off the heart. I did notice the heart lifted in a couple of different spots just from the pressure of the hairdryer itself. So I had some bleed through, no big deal. It wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be. I'm going to go through and touch it up with some white paint. It'll really help make that heart pop, and it will finish out wonderfully, hopefully. We will see how it looks. Alright guys, here's the finished product. All you missed was me go through and clean up the edges here with the white. You see it's still drying. And kind of melted that down a little bit and just did one of those across the top. Kind of blended it all in. I did not want that white border across the top. I'll probably do it yet again just to kind of smooth that out a little bit. But yeah, guys, that's it. So let me know what you think. Comment below, like, all that fun stuff. See you guys. Who wants to see it?